Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need heat and measurements first. Preheat to 175 degrees C and prepare 2 lined sheets. While that heats, measure butter, brown sugar, and white sugar precisely. Consistency matters. Start by creaming the softened butter with both sugars until pale and aerated. This traps air to give lift. Once light, you'll see the texture change. That's why you cream thoroughly. Make sure you scrape the bowl so everything mixes evenly. This prevents dense pockets of butter or sugar later. Once your creamed base is ready, add eggs one at a time so the emulsion stays stable. This helps structure. Stir in vanilla for flavor balance. Next, combine flour, baking soda, and salt to distribute leavening evenly. Add in 2 or 3 additions and mix until just incorporated. This prevents gluten overdevelopment. Finally, fold in chocolate chips with a spatula. Do this gently so the dough stays tender. Make sure to leave small streaks rather than overworking. They will finish blending while resting. You're ready to portion and bake. Scoop consistent 1.5 tablespoon portions onto the prepared sheet and chill the tray to firm the fat, which reduces spread. Bake 9 to 12 minutes. Remove when edges are golden but centers still soft. Carryover heat finishes them. Cool on a rack to set texture. If they spread flat, make sure butter was not too warm and try chilling dough longer. Alternatively, reduce oven temperature by 10 degrees or add 1/4 cup more flour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.